Featuring breathtaking city and skyline views, the spacious apartments, Mercure Hotel Apartments Dubai Barsha Heights enjoys close proximity to Internet City Metro Station with only 1-minute walking distance for convenient access to Dubai's most popular shopping malls, entertainment and nearby places of interest. 607 hotel apartments are spacious and offers a seating area with a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. Guests can enjoy free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Guests can enjoy a delightful meal a day and night and either relax indoors or step out onto the outdoor terrace for an al fresco experience and savor international flavors for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Every room has a private bathroom. It offers themed dining venues, extensive recreational facilities including an outdoor swimming pool to complete the experience. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place. Tripeefy, trips made easy. Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.